Yo, what is up, teenagers? Welcome to another vlog. I am out here on a walk with my mom and dog, and it is raining right now. And let me show you my dog. He doesn't really like walking in the rain, but I don't know, he's handling it today. Look at that, there are like 100 trees or something back there. I don't know why there is just like a whole grove of little trees. Maybe someone planted them, or maybe, I don't know, they just randomly got there. And also there's a bunch of ferns and more small trees up there.
It's usually when the tree dies.
Do you sense something, Baxter?
That's interesting. Looks like a woodpecker was at it, right?
Yeah. Maybe a woodpecker was in there, or maybe it was just something man-made. Mom's going off trail, taking a shortcut. I hope no park rangers see us. Oh yeah. Baxter just saw a deer, now he's absolutely freaking out. Whenever he sees something interesting, he does this weird thing where he like looks out at the direction where it is for as long as possible, and then he like sprints forward to the next furthest location just to look back at it again. You guys see what I'm wearing? I personally think it's a rain jacket, but people at my church thought that it was a windbreaker. And comment down below whether you think this is a windbreaker or a rain jacket. It's been raining so much that this little river even formed on the trail we took. Pro tip, guys, if you've got a dirty dog and he doesn't want to take a bath, just put some peanut butter on the wall and he'll be glad to be there. He doesn't look so glad right now. Did you like your bath, Baxter? Was it good? Oh! Also very effectively cleans off the peanut butter from the wall. You can't even see it now. Bastion. Now I'm gonna do like a very quick montage of me just doing the general chores. Oh, I finished all the chores now, and it's time to say goodbye to Sebastian for the last time. Bye, Sebby.
Get it,
Come on, Pepper, you can do it.
Pepper's like, I'm sorry.
You guys should have seen him. He was running around in circles for the red dot, but, I don't know. I've never seen him that active for like a year. And of course, now he's back to his lazy self. He's probably gonna go take a 10-hour nap to recover. Oh, poor Baxter! He's not doing anything to stop it, he's just accepting it.